Hey everyone, welcome back to Healing Path. Today, we're rediving into something that affects all of us, the common skincare mistakes that might actually be making you look older. You could be spending hours on your routine and buying all the latest products. But sometimes, even small mistakes can have a huge impact. So if you've been noticing fine lines, dullness, or that your skin just isn't as vibrant as it used to be, this video is for you. We're going through 11 mistakes to avoid at all costs. By the end, you'll know exactly how to make simple changes that keep your skin youthful and glowing. Let's get started. First up, skipping sunscreen. This is hands down one of the most damaging habits for skin aging. Many people think sunscreen is just for sunny days, but harmful UV rays are present every day, even when it's cloudy or you're indoors near a window. UV exposure breaks down collagen and elastin, leading to premature wrinkles and dark spots. Even if your moisturizer has SPF, use a dedicated sunscreen with at least SPF 30 and reapply it every couple of hours if you outside. Think of sunscreen as your non-negotiable first line of defense. Second is over-exfoliating. Exfoliation can be great, but doing it too often or using harsh scrubs damages your skin barrier. When your barrier is compromised, it loses moisture, becomes sensitive, and is more prone to irritation. Over time, this accelerates aging. The key is to exfoliate gently, about 1 to 3 times a week depending on your skin type, and always follow up with a soothing moisturizer. Less is more here. The third mistake is using products not suited for your skin type. Buying products based on trends instead of your skin's actual needs is a common pitfall. For example, using a foaming cleanser on dry skin can strip away natural oils, while using heavy creams on oily skin can clog pores. Understanding your skin type is essential. Pay attention to how your skin reacts and choose ingredients that genuinely help. Fourth on the list, sleeping with your makeup on. Makeup traps dirt, oil, and pollutants on your skin overnight, which clogs pores and leads to dullness. More importantly, it prevents your skin from repairing itself while you sleep. Nighttime is when your skin regenerates and produces collagen. Sleeping in makeup disrupts this entire process. Make it a habit to always cleanse your face thoroughly before bed, no matter how tired you are. The fifth mistake is not moisturizing properly. Many people with oily skin skip moisturizer, but all skin types need hydration. Without it, your skin can become dry, tight, and more prone to wrinkles. A good moisturizer hydrates, strengthens the skin barrier, and improves elasticity. Look for ingredients like hyaluronic acid and ceramides that nourish your skin without feeling heavy. Next up, neglecting your neck and hands. These areas show signs of aging just as much as your face, yet they're often forgotten. Wrinkles and sunspots on the neck and hands can give away your age. Extend your skincare routine to these areas. Apply sunscreen, moisturize, and consider gentle exfoliation to keep the skin smooth. Seventh is using hot water on your face. Hot showers and washing your face with very hot water strip away natural oils, leading to dryness and irritation. It might feel relaxing, but your skin prefers lukewarm water. After washing, gently pat your skin dry and immediately apply moisturizer to lock in hydration. The eighth mistake is sleeping on your face. Pressing your face into a pillow every night can cause sleep lines, which can become permanent wrinkles over time. Try to sleep on your back and use a silk or satin pillowcase to reduce friction. This is gentler on your skin and your hair. Mistake number 9 is relying on harsh anti-aging products too soon. While potent products like retinoids are effective, improper use can irritate the skin. The goal is to support your skin, not shock it. Introduce strong products slowly and always pair them with sunscreen. Consistency and patience are far more effective than overdoing it. The 10th mistake is not maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Skincare is about your whole body. Smoking, a poor diet, lack of sleep, and high stress all accelerate skin aging. Antioxidant-rich foods, regular exercise, and proper sleep help maintain elasticity and brighten your complexion. Nourish your body from the inside out. Finally, the 11th mistake, neglecting regular checkups with a dermatologist. Some issues like early sun damage might go unnoticed. A professional checkup ensures you catch problems early and get personalized advice that can save years off your appearance. Remember, skincare is a journey. Small daily habits make the biggest difference. Avoid these mistakes, listen to your skin, and create a routine that works for you. Consistency, patience, and self-care are key. Thank you so much for watching. If you found these tips helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe, and click the bell so you never miss our tips. Share this with anyone who might benefit, and let us know in the comments which mistake you've been guilty of. See you in the next video.